Hey guys, it's Kate here, and today I just wanted to show you something.
It's wet. Really?
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, anyway, hey guys, I just want to say I had the most awesome names ever. Does not include with Courtney, Sneezy and Courtney. We caught a baby rabbit. Me and Cindy caught a baby rabbit. Isn't it adorable? Its name is Sniffles, and I don't know if my parents are gonna let me keep him yet. Or her yet, but if we do, he's gonna be in a lot of my videos, so give thumbs up for Sniffles. Bye!
Thumbs up.